Yeah, I actually do. I think I have the biggest bum out of Stray Kids. Thank you for noticing.
Bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Choose up, Lil John, I'm finna pack him. When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight active. Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking cat piss. Lil bitch, shut the fuck up.
Oh my god! I didn't expect him to be that big. You know what, chat? I'd never really be looking at his ass. Real talk. Wait a second. First of all, I know he built, but God! Shut your ass up. You had ass like that? I just don't know. I don't look. Bro, I thought he had...
My bitch, I'm straight active. Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking cat piss.
No, he did not walk like that. Bitch, he walking like a bad bitch. Wait.
Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking cat piss.
You saw him? This man literally.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X toe, that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear. Calvin Klein, bitch. Jumping the cheeks, dribbling fast, swallowing a line, bitch.
How the fuck? Yo, I really thought my friend Kenny had ass, and he do.
Yeah, I actually do. I think I
Yo, he's proud of it. He has to be proud of it. He has to be proud of his ass. Oh my god. No.
Bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Choose